Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to cancel Shopify app subscription. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you cancel Shopify app subscription? So maybe you just want to remove some applications that you don't want to use anymore. So this one is actually quite simple but kinda tricky, because the trick here is currently with how Shopify actually works, apps are working independently. Now, meaning that you can only cancel a plan for a specific app via their UI. Now, in this example, I'll be showing you how to access those UI. So first things first is you need to go to your settings at the bottom left here. And in the settings, what we need to do is we need to look for the section that actually says apps and sales channel. So go ahead and click on it. Now from here, look for the app that you want to basically cancel the subscription for. Now, for example, we have the estimated delivery date app here. So let's go ahead and click on it. And from here, this should actually open up the current app status or the current history for it. Now in this case, just click on open app at the top right, and this should actually fully open the app itself. Now, for you to cancel this app here, what we need to do is we need to look at their current plans and the subscription status that we have right now. Now, typically, it should be located at the main dashboard of your UI. It's going to usually tell you what plan that you're currently using. As an example, I'm currently in the free plan here. So in this case, if you have an upgraded plan, you should be able to see an upgraded plan here. Just give you an idea. So when you actually click on the upgrade plan here, it's going to show me the other plans that I could actually access. Like for example, if I'm using the basic here, I just need to click on the change plan option here next to free for me to cancel my plan. But this option or this full method can be different for every app that you'll be installing or you'll be uninstalling or removing the current subscription. Now in this case, just look for the option that says upgrade plan or change plan for you to basically cancel the subscription for. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.